Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making our homemade Bolognese sauce, and it's going to be meaty and delicious. There's a lot of ingredients, so pay attention. We're going to have our ground beef, some garlic, some celery, onion, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. And if I left out anything else like the tomatoes, we'll get to that later. I'm going to definitely leave you a list of ingredients down in the description because there's a lot of ingredients. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to brown our ground beef. We're going to add those onions to it and our garlic. We're going to put in those crushed tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce actually to go with it as well. And then we're just going to let it simmer. We're going to put our seasonings in it and it's just going to simmer for a while. And you're going to have something delicious to put over any pasta that you like. So, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.